Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare BMW X3 versus Toyota Fortuner. Let's begin by looking at their starting prices. The BMW X3, a premium SUV, generally starts at around $49,500, reflecting its luxury positioning. In contrast, the rugged Toyota Fortuner typically has a more accessible starting price, often around $33,640. This notable difference in cost makes the Fortuner a more budget-friendly option for many buyers, while the X3 caters to those seeking a higher-end experience. Moving on to what powers these vehicles, the BMW X3 often comes with sophisticated engines, such as a 2.0-liter petrol unit delivering around 190 horsepower, prioritizing smooth and responsive acceleration. The Toyota Fortuner, however, typically features a larger 2.8-liter turbo diesel engine, known for its robust torque of 500 Newton-meters and 150 kilowatts of power. This difference highlights the X3's focus on on-road refinement versus the Fortuner's emphasis on raw, utilitarian strength. Inside, both SUVs offer distinct experiences. The BMW X3 presents a luxurious and technologically advanced cabin, comfortably seating 5 passengers with premium materials and features. On the other hand, the Toyota Fortuner is designed for practicality and versatility, providing a spacious interior with a 7-seat capacity. Its cabin prioritizes durability and functionality, making it well-suited for families or those needing extra cargo space, even if the aesthetics are more rugged than refined. When it comes to tackling diverse terrains, the Toyota Fortuner truly shines. It boasts excellent off-road capabilities, featuring high ground clearance and robust 4-wheel drive variants, making it ideal for adventurous journeys. The BMW X3, while capable, offers a more car-like ride, optimized for comfortable urban and highway driving. Your choice depends on whether you prioritize rugged exploration or refined daily commutes. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for the link as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.